Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make eggplant / aubergine / Baingan Pakora. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so you saw how to make these Baingan Pakode. Absolutely delicious, the most perfect, the most wonderful snack you can possibly have. And we serve them with our red chutney recipe. You can find the link in the description how to make the red chutney, and make sure you check that out because the red chutney and this pakora, they go so well together. They're synonymous, so you gotta have a look at it. So with that said, you can view our cauliflower pakora recipe over here, our dal or lentil bhajia recipe over here, and you can view my mom's famous recipe of samosa over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.